of your medicine. You're my shot of adrenaline. Is it right? Is it wrong to have feelings for you so strong? There's a poison inside my veins. You're the potion to heal the pain. You are my remedy. I'm